friends, welcome to another episode of Jerry's Home Kitchen. I bring to you today a recipe specially for all my non-vegetarian friends out there. That is mutton curry, made without a cooker with its authentic flavor and taste. I'm sure you will love the recipe. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start with the recipe. The ingredients to prepare the mutton curry are mutton 500 grams washed properly and drained, onions or piyaz 3 big coarsely ground, tomatoes 3 chopped, oil 4 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste or adrak lasan paste 2 tablespoons, turmeric or haldi half tablespoon, chilli or mirchi powder 1 tablespoon, coriander or dhania powder 2 tablespoons, Cummin or Jeera powder 1 tablespoon, curd or dahi half cup, Kasuri Methi or dried fenugreek 1 tablespoon, tomato puree 2 tablespoons, few whole spice or Sabut Garam Masala, that is pepper or kali miri, clove or laung, cinnamon or kalmi and cardamom or elaichi, salt 1.5 teaspoon or as per taste, spice powder or garam masala powder half tablespoon, coriander or dhania patta chopped for garnish. Place a pan on the stove and light the gas. Pour the oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, put in the khada garam masala and fry for a little while. Add the onions. Fry till it is transparent. Add the ginger garlic paste and continue frying it till it starts to brown a bit. We have fried the onions. It has started to brown a bit and the oil is leaving the sides. Now we shall add the turmeric powder, the chilli powder, and give it a nice stir. Now we shall add the mutton and mix it nicely. Now the mutton has nicely been fried for around 15 minutes. We shall add the cumin seeds or jeera powder. Now we shall add the coriander powder. After you have mixed it well, add the tomatoes. Now we shall add the tomato puree and the salt. Keep mixing it till all the masalas are blended with the mutton. Now lower the flame and add the curd. So that the curd does not split on a high fire. Now we shall pour 2 cups of water into the pan. Increase the flame and let it come to boil. Now place the lid on. Lower the flame and let it cook on a slow flame for 45 minutes to an hour. An hour is over. We shall add the Garam Masala powder and the Kasuri Methi. After adding the Garam Masala and Kasuri Methi, mix well. Our mutton curry is ready. We shall switch off the stove and it is ready to be served. If you want to make the curry in the cooker, you can make it and let it cook for 6 whistles. But the authentic taste will only come when you cook it without the cooker. So friends, our mutton curry is ready to be eaten. You can enjoy it with any kind of breads or rice dishes. Do try this recipe at home for your family and friends and do let me know in the comment box below. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.